In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create startup forms in Jotform using Claude AI. Start by going to Jotform and signing into your account. Once you are logged in, open Claude AI in your browser so you can use it to help generate the form structure. Before creating anything, decide on the purpose of your startup form. Be clear about what you want to collect. This could be startup applications, investor inquiries, team onboarding details, or idea submissions. Having a clear goal will help the form come out more organized and useful. Next, in Claude AI, enter this prompt exactly. Create a startup form directly in my Jotform account with structured sections for founder details, startup information, funding stage, and goals. Make it clear, organized, and ready to use. Submit the prompt and let Claude AI generate the form for you directly in Jotform. After that, return to Jotform and locate the newly created form in your account. Open it and review the structure that was generated. Check that the sections are in place and that the overall layout matches the type of startup form you want to use. If needed, add more startup-specific fields to make the form more complete. Common fields include company name, industry, funding stage, pitch summary, team size, and website. These details can help you collect more relevant information from each submission. Once the fields are in place, arrange the form in a logical order. A clear structure usually works best, such as founder information first, then startup details, followed by funding information and goals. This makes the form easier to complete and easier to review later. Next, customize the form by editing the labels, descriptions, and required fields. Make sure each question is easy to understand. You can also adjust the wording so it fits your brand or the specific purpose of the form. Then move into the form settings. Turn on email notifications if you want to be alerted when someone submits the form. You can also connect CRM integrations or set up approval workflows if your process requires them. These settings help the form work as part of your larger system. After that, preview the form and test the full submission experience. Make sure everything looks right and works correctly from start to finish. Once you are satisfied, publish the form and share it. You can copy the direct link or embed it on your website, depending on how you want people to access it. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.